Okay, so this is Sorrento, the beginning of the Costiera Amalfitana, and you can see it in the background here. We've stopped to just take a look at this breathtaking sea and homes and buildings, and it just takes your breath away. I know I'm excited every place I go, but this one's very special. This is amazing. So today, Sorrento. Ciao! Beautiful shops. We're here in Sorrento, and there are just rows and rows of streets with lovely shops. Actually, for the Amalfi Coast, I think Sorrento is the best for shopping. The other cities like Positano and Amalfi are so busy, so packed, and so touristy. And so is Sorrento, but somehow Sorrento keeps its charm of being a small city where people do come and live and all year long. It's pretty amazing. What you're looking at right now is Piazza Pazzo, which is a city square in the main area of Sorrento. And yes, lots of Vespas, lots of motorcycles. It's a pretty quiet day, and it's very hot, so people are probably going to wait till 4 and 5 o'clock to reopen their stores. But boy, what a great little town. Very low key, even during the busy season. This is another view, and the front of the store that I'm standing by. On the left here is Pjanella, which is a very typical Neapolitan figure. And Pjanella was a person that dressed up as a clown and made fun of politicians and the crazy antics of government people. I think he lived in 1800s, but now has become really a symbol of Napoli. And of course, even though we're in Sorrento here, this is the region close to Naples and the beginning of the Amalfi Coast. The ceramics in this place are amazing, really beautiful. I mean, can you imagine if you had a home where you just wanted a little piece of artwork in the corner? This wouldn't be bad. And then beautiful jewelry and things for the home. Here's another example of getting healthful foods when you're traveling and looking for foods. Here in Sorrento, we have fresh oranges, beautiful lemons of the Amalfi Coast, enormous lemons actually. And then here's the machine for making the fresh squeezed juice. All that they do is cut an orange or a lemon in half, put it in this machine, pull down the handle, and you've got wonderful fresh juice. It's called spremunta di limoni, fresh lemon juice. And you know, the lemons are so wonderful here that they're not acidic. You don't need to add anything else. You can just enjoy the fruit of the juice of the lemon. On the other side here on this store is the fresh produce. So here it is, just sitting. Can you imagine in your city if you were walking down the street and you had access to food like this? This is healthful food that supplies the nutrients that we need every day. And I think between the climate, the sun, the water, the fresh foods, certainly helps the Italians be the second longest living people on earth. And that is where they are right now. The United States is number 35, so we have a long way to go. But I don't know if in any areas of the US if we'll just have little streets like this. So I'm just taking a look at the seasonal local fruits. Look at these plums, they're unbelievable. And the sign there is 250 euros. So right now at today's exchange, they're about $3 a pound. Not bad, not bad at all. Here's an example of the beautiful foods, the fresh foods in Italy. And if you look for them, you can find wonderful, still very healthful type of foods. You don't have to go out and just buy tourist food. This stand here in Sorrento has the fresh pomegranates. Pomegranates are one of the most healthiest things that you can eat. And I see he has fresh ones here. They're loaded with antioxidants. Right now there's about 300 research studies going on about pomegranates. They have been touted to have many health benefits that I won't go into on this video. One of the oldest fruits known to man. And what he has here is fresh juices. So he will squeeze for you lemon, pomegranate, melogranate, limoni, succo di moni, whatever you would like. Arancia, and this is his machine, his macchina. So it's as fresh as this. He takes the fruit, it is ripe to perfection. He cuts the fruit in half, puts it here in the machine, pushes down, and you get, he's even going to do a little demo for us. And you get the fresh fruit. It's simple, it's healthful, it's the best thing that you can do. And on a day like this, what you need is to stay hydrated, and you need antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, nutrients, not Coca-Cola and other soda. So they have it here. And what is the name? Il nome del negozio?
Ice cream.
Ice Dream. That's the name of his store, the Ice Dream. And believe me, on a day like this, when it's 95 degrees, this is a dream and a wonderful place to stop for a drink. Couldn't resist. I love pomegranate juice. And I'll talk to you again soon.